Ginger has been valued as a spice for over 4,000 years. This potent herb is renowned for its ability to prevent and treat numerous health conditions. Originally, ginger was a staple in Indian dishes and Chinese traditional medicine. Its unique taste comes from gingerol, an active compound with antibacterial and antioxidant effects. Besides enhancing flavor, ginger benefits many bodily functions. Below are some key health advantages of consuming ginger. Important note: all information in this video is thoroughly fact-checked and reviewed by qualified health professionals. 1. Relieves nausea. Ginger has long been used in traditional Chinese medicine to combat vomiting and aid digestion. It is thought to reduce nausea by encouraging saliva and stomach acid production, aiding food digestion. Additionally, ginger acts as an antispasmodic, calming digestive muscles. Its compounds, gingerols, shogols, and zingerones, contribute to its anti-nausea and anti-inflammatory properties. To alleviate nausea, try ginger tea. Add a teaspoon of grated ginger root to boiling water, let it cool for 10 minutes, and drink up to 3 times a day. Consult a doctor if nausea persists. 2. Strengthens the immune system. Ginger boosts immunity by improving circulation, helping the body ward off infections. Compounds like gingerol and shogol enhance natural killer and white blood cells, which are crucial for fighting infections. Research also shows ginger protects cells from damage caused by viruses like the flu. 3. Eases migraines. For centuries, ginger has been used to soothe migraines. It reduces inflammation, relaxes muscles, and minimizes blood vessel swelling, helping ease migraine pain. Eating raw or dried ginger, or using supplements, can provide relief. 4. May reduce cancer risk. Cancer results from uncontrolled cell growth. Ginger's antioxidants and phytochemicals may help combat cancer cells. Studies suggest ginger extracts can slow tumor growth and reduce cancer risk, particularly for prostate and breast cancer. 5. Manages high blood sugar. Ginger has been traditionally used to regulate blood sugar. Its active compounds stimulate insulin production and reduce inflammation, helping manage type 2 diabetes. Studies show that taking ginger powder significantly lowers blood glucose levels. 6. Reduces anxiety. Ginger helps manage anxiety, a condition characterized by excessive worry. It has calming properties that can support emotional balance. 7. Relieves indigestion. Symptoms of indigestion, like bloating and heartburn, may be eased by ginger. Its anti-inflammatory compounds reduce stomach acid and provide relief from discomfort. 8. Supports asthma management. Ginger can help relax airway muscles and reduce mucus production, making breathing easier for those with asthma. Drinking ginger juice or tea may alleviate symptoms. 9. Lowers Alzheimer's risk. Ginger may reduce the risk of Alzheimer's by preventing plaque buildup in the brain and combating oxidative stress. Are there any risks? While generally safe, ginger may interact with medications and should be consumed in moderation. Consult a doctor before use if you have conditions like diabetes, gallstones, or take heart medications. Adding ginger to your diet could address various symptoms and enhance your overall health. With its numerous benefits, it's a must-have in any health-conscious kitchen. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss other useful videos about health and proper nutrition.